Are you dreaming of a high-end home but working with a tight budget? No worries. I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing luxury home decor on a budget that'll make your space look expensive without the designer price tag. Hi, I'm Nikki D and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you stunning luxurious finds from our house, Pottery Barn, and West Elm, plus affordable looks for less from Walmart, Target, and Amazon. By the end, you'll have everything you need to get an elevated designer look without overspending. Now let's get started. Tip 1. Layered rugs. We're starting from the ground up, literally with rugs. Layering a solid sisal or jute rug under your existing rug can completely transform your room. This simple design trick is perfect if your current rug is too small or you want to add a layer of texture. Remember, you want at least the front legs of your furniture to sit on the rug for that high-end designer look. If all your furniture sits on the rug, that's even better, but it can be expensive. Here's an example from Pottery Barn with a jute rug layered under a smaller rug. This one would cost you over $1,000, but you could get a similar look for less at Walmart for a quarter of the price. Tip 2. Add a sofa table behind your sofa. Another way to elevate the look of your living room is with a sofa table. They're going to be great for adding depth and anchoring your space. You can use it to display decor, add lighting, or even create a mini workstation. If your sofa is long, this is going to give you another place to put things down while you're sitting in the middle. Both Pottery Barn and our house have beautiful styles, but I found affordable looks for less that are just as chic. Style it with some coffee table books, a lamp, and a vase for a high-end look. Tip 3. Use tall open bookcases to define your spaces. If you have an open floor plan, tall open bookcases are a total game changer for defining spaces while adding stylish storage. They're perfect for creating zones and separating areas without the need for walls. Plus, they'll give you a place to display your favorite decor, books, and greenery to showcase your personality. Our house has this stunning X-shaped design in a set of two that looks amazing behind this sofa. It's a functional yet sophisticated way to divide spaces. But let's be real, they're not cheap. Don't worry though, I found some affordable bookcase options that'll give you the same designer vibe for way less. You could buy two of these and you'll still spend less than the price of one from our house. Just saying. A pro tip when styling your bookcase is to stick to a consistent color palette for your decor. This will keep the look balanced, cohesive, and luxurious. Tip 4. Go for the curved sectional. Let's talk about one of the biggest investments in your home, your seating. Curved boucle sofas and sectionals are having a moment right now, and for good reason. They're the ultimate in modern luxury. They're soft, sculptural, and guaranteed to bring that designer look to your space. Not only are they cozy and inviting, but they also make a bold statement that instantly elevates your room. If you're in the market for a new sofa, consider swapping out your traditional sofa with a chase for a curved sectional. It's a modern upgrade that will feel fresh, sophisticated, and totally on trend. This one from West Elm is stunning, but it's not in everyone's budget. Luckily, I found some affordable options that'll give you the same luxurious vibe without the high-end price tag. Add a few neutral pillows and a plush throw, and your living room will look straight out of a designer catalog without breaking the bank. Tip 5. Navy sofas for practical luxury. Now, let's be real. Boucle is stunning, but if you have kids or pets or just life happening, a light sofa may feel like a disaster waiting to happen. That's where the navy sectional comes in. Navy is like the MVP of neutrals. It's going to be elegant, versatile, and totally sophisticated. It pairs beautifully with almost any color palette and brings a rich, polished vibe to your space. Our house has this absolutely gorgeous navy sectional that caught my eye, but if it's out of your budget, don't worry. I found some amazing styles on Amazon that'll give you a similar look for way less. And here's a pro tip. Invest in performance fabric. It's going to be a lifesaver when it comes to spills, stains, and everyday wear. Not only will it keep your sofa looking fresh, but it'll save you a lot of headaches in the long run. You're going to thank me later. Just remember to always measure and create a floor plan before you shop. You can download a copy of the free PDF in the description below for help creating yours. Tip 6, add picture lamps over artwork or arch cabinets. Lighting is the jewelry of your room, and picture lamps are perfect for adding elegance. Whether you place them over artwork or an arch cabinet, they'll instantly create a focal point and make your room feel more luxurious. Our house has some absolutely stunning picture lamps, but you don't have to splurge to get this look. Both Walmart and Amazon have affordable options that are just as stylish. The bonus is that they come in plug-in styles and even wireless with the remote, so no electrician is required. I mean, how fabulous is that? Layered lighting is an absolute game changer when it comes to creating a warm, inviting, and expensive looking space, no matter your design style. And if you don't know your design style, take the quiz in the description below for help finding yours. It's all about combining overhead lights, task lighting, and accent lighting like picture lamps to add depth and dimension. This simple trick will make your room look expensive and like you hired a designer. Adding picture lamps isn't just about lighting. It's about creating those special moments in your home that feel intentional, polished, and luxurious. Tip 7. Add table lamps with angled shades. Adding a pair of lamps with angled shades, like this gorgeous set from Pottery Barn, is going to instantly add symmetry and sophistication to your console table. It's such a simple update, but it'll make a huge impact. And the best part, you don't have to break the bank to get this look. I found some stunning options that are just as chic, but way more budget friendly from Walmart and Target. To complete the look, add a decorative tray, a few candles, and a small vase with fresh greenery or flowers. These small touches will create a polished designer moment that'll elevate your entire space. This setup is perfect for entryways, living rooms, or even dining areas. It's an easy way to make your home feel luxurious without spending a fortune. Tip 8. Floor table lamp for small spaces. For smaller spaces, a floor table lamp is a game changer. It combines the function of a side table and a lamp in one piece. This is going to save you space without sacrificing style. Pottery Barn has this stunning version in gold or black, but if you're looking for an affordable option, Target's alternative is just as practical and stylish. It's perfect for those little empty corners that need a little love. Whether you're in an apartment or working with limited space, this lamp is a stylish solution that adds both form and function. Tip 9. Add a floor task light. If you're working from home, this tip is for you. A floor task light paired with a small desk is going to create a stylish, functional workspace. It's perfect for when you need a cozy corner for productivity without the harsh overhead lighting. Our house has some gorgeous designs, but if you're on a budget, Amazon has fantastic alternatives that'll give you the same chic look for way less. You can move it around as needed, which makes it versatile for any space, whether next to a sofa or accent chair. It's a small change that makes a big impact. It's going to keep your space functional and stylish for work or relaxation. Tip 10. Add an oversized ornate mirror. Every luxury space needs a wow factor, and an oversized ornate gold mirror is the perfect way to do that. Not only does it add elegance, but it also reflects light, making your space feel brighter and bigger. Our house has this stunning mirror for over $2,000, but if you're on a budget, Amazon and Target have similar styles that look just as luxurious for a fraction of the price. You can lean it against your wall or mount it on the wall in your living room, foyer, or bedroom, and it's instantly going to elevate your space and give it that designer look. It's an easy way to add some style without breaking the bank. Tip 11. Add sculptural drink tables. These small but mighty sculptural drink tables are perfect for adding a touch of personality to your space. Not only are they functional, but they're also stylish little statement pieces. They work beautifully next to an accent chair or in the front of your sofa. West Elm has an amazing selection of unique drink tables, and they're actually pretty affordable. So in my opinion, that's the place to shop. However, if you're on a super tight budget, don't worry, because you could get the look for less from Amazon, where they have plenty of sculptural tables that'll add that high-end vibe without breaking the bank. A sculptural drink table is one of those conversation starters that set your home apart. It adds a personal touch, making your space feel unique and memorable. Because let's be real, it's not something everyone else will have. Tip 12, luxurious seasonal throws. Adding a luxurious seasonal throw is one of the easiest ways to refresh your space. Just drape it over your sofa or chair and instantly you'll get that cozy, inviting vibe. For more cozy design tips, watch this video. Pottery Barn and Our House have some stunning options, but if you're looking for budget-friendly alternatives, Target, Walmart, and Amazon all have soft, stylish throws that'll give you that same luxurious feel at a fraction of the price. Switching up the color or texture of your throw is a great way to stay on trend while adding warmth and personality to your space. Right now, the it colors of the season are burgundy and mocha, which are perfect for creating a cozy seasonal vibe. The rich tones will not only keep your space on trend, but they'll also bring in a luxurious, comforting feel. It's an easy, affordable way to add a touch of elegance and seasonal charm to any room. Tip 13. Greenery in oversized planters. Finally, let's bring the outdoors in with greenery in oversized planters. It's one of the easiest ways to add life and warmth to your space. Not to mention, plants just make any room feel fresher and more inviting. Our house has some stunning planters, but if you're on a budget, Walmart and Amazon have beautiful options that'll give you a similar look for less. And if you don't have a green thumb like me, no worries. Go with the faux greenery for a low maintenance option that'll still look lush and full. They're perfect for giving your space that vibrant, natural touch without any of the work. Whether it's real or faux, oversized planters are a chic, affordable way to make your space feel fresh and elevated. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Luxury home decor is totally achievable. Which ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what you're planning. Links to everything shared in today's video are in the description below, and there's also a blog post with all this information. And if you're ready to take your home design skills to the next level, check out my course, Designer Home 101. It's full of step-by-step lessons to help you design your dream home, no experience necessary. The link is in the description below, so make sure you check it out and let's make your home look like you hired a designer, no matter your budget. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. For more decorating tips and design inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.